Hello, hello, hello. Hi guys, Lori here from Vancouver Island, and as you can see I have another one of my practice panels, and man, are they getting warped. But anyway, I'm going to try another butterfly today. So one of the problems I had with the last one was that great big honking body in the middle of it there. And I think part of the reason I had that was because my white paint might have been too thick. So, I'm using my pigments again. And so I've got the blue ultramarine, the neon blue, and I'm going to use the pink with that. And then I do have this light peach that I might throw in there, down at the bottom, just so the bottom and the top are a little bit different. But anyway, I've made my white paint, and this is my house paint again, and so it was mixed with my paint extender, and then I've mixed it with my mixing medium, which, as you know, is just Amazon Basics white glue mixed with water. And I've thinned it down to about a 1, and I'm just going to put a really, really thin coat on here. Because I know, and I know this because I tried it, I tried doing a chain pull with no undercoat on it, because I kept running into the problem of having just pools and pools of paint in the middle, and it just was, I didn't know what to do with them. So, yeah, I tried doing it on a dry canvas, and that did not work either. So obviously I need something down there, but I need something thinner than the paints that I have been using. So I've got this really, really thin white, and I'm going to coat this, and then I'm going to draw a butterfly, and I'm going to pull some chains through it. I've got my water here to dump them into, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming in. I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, subscribe. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, all that fun stuff. Let's pour some paint. pretty interesting. I still got kind of a funky body there. It's a bit big, and I used my cell activator for the black, which, I don't know, it leaves some really cool patterning, but the problem is, look at the antenna. They're a little bit funky. Oh well. Yeah, so the colors worked nicely. The paint was thinner and easier to manage around the center. I did still, of course, pull some into the center, but I was able to get rid of it without everything just turning into a totally muddy puddle. Although you can see I do have some issues with overcrowding and some other stuff. But anyway, try 2 at doing a butterfly. It does look quite cool, and I'm pretty sure I'll try it again sometime. Not quite ready to commit it to an actual canvas or anything yet, but definitely fun enough to try again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're taking care. I hope everyone is all right in your world. Thanks for watching. Bye now.